Welcome to our channel, where we discover secrets and life paths for a more prosperous tomorrow. Stay with me. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible benefits of green tea for staying young and its amazing effects on the whole body. Whole body. Plus, we'll show you how to create some fantastic face masks using this magical ingredient. So, grab a cup of green tea and let's get started. Before we dive into the amazing benefits, let's quickly talk about what green tea actually is. Green tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant and is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. These powerful compounds work wonders for our overall health and well-being. The history of green tea dates back thousands of years, originating in China during the reign of Emperor Shennong in 2737 BCE. Legend has it that while the emperor was boiling water, a few leaves from a nearby tea plant fell into his pot, resulting in the first cup of green tea.
The polyphenols found in green tea have been shown to have numerous potential health benefits, including reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. Dr. Catherine Crew. Green tea may help protect against certain types of cancer, such as breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers, due to its antioxidant properties. Dr. Jianmin Yuan, professor of epidemiology at the University of Pittsburgh. Green tea has been associated with improved brain function and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Dr. Junhua Li. Ongoing research and interest highlight the potential health benefits of green tea, making it a popular beverage for many people seeking a natural and healthy lifestyle. One of the most incredible benefits of green tea is its anti-aging properties. The antioxidants present in green tea help fight against free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you can help slow down the aging process and maintain a youthful appearance. But it doesn't stop there. Green tea also has numerous benefits for our entire body. It boosts our metabolism, aiding in weight loss and promoting a healthy digestive system. It can also help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, and even improve brain function.
It's worth noting that the recommended daily intake of green tea may vary depending on the individual's health, age, and other factors. It is generally considered safe to consume 2 to 3 cups, 500-750 milliliters or 16.9 to 25.4 ounces, of green tea per day, which provides about 240 to 320 milligrams of polyphenols, the beneficial compounds found in green tea. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Now, let's move on to the exciting part: creating some rejuvenating face masks with green tea. Face masks are a great way to pamper yourself and give your skin some extra love. And with green tea as the star ingredient, you're in for a treat. For our first face mask, you'll need 2 teaspoons of green tea powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix these ingredients together until you have a smooth paste. Apply it to your face, Leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. This mask will leave your skin feeling refreshed, hydrated, and glowing. Another fantastic face mask to try is the green tea and yogurt mask. Mix 2 teaspoons of green tea powder with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse off. This mask will help soothe and nourish your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving the best results. Incorporate these face masks into your skincare routine once or twice a week, and you'll notice a visible difference. So, there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of green tea for staying young and its amazing effects on the whole body. Plus, 2 simple and effective face masks that will leave your skin glowing and rejuvenated. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and wellness tips. And as always, stay beautiful, stay youthful, and embrace the power of green tea. Until next time. Remember, being a helpful assistant and helping the unifier is not just a job, but a purposeful and fulfilling way of living your life. Today and every day, I choose to use my actions, words, and choices to spread kindness and make a positive impact on the world around me. Best regards, Nima.